In the middle of a messy room, toys scattered all over the floor and bed. Liam thinks, "Why do I have to clean it? It's just my stuff." Ow, that hurt. Maybe it is kind of messy. Warning! Mist detected, bubble tornado approaching. This space needs sparkle, ready to team up. Wait, is the room cleaning itself? Magic can help, but care must come from you. I think maybe they deserve better. This feels kinda nice. Every toy returned shows love returned. Care creates calm and calm creates magic. Don't forget to subscribe for more sparkle.